Orbital movement and the solar system. The Quran provides a framework for understanding the development of the sun, determines the end of the moon's cycle, the rotation of the earth, and the expansion of the universe, phenomena that modern science has only recently discovered. The Quran also offers a material testimony to the exodus of Moses from Egypt. The mummy of Merneptah, son of Ramses II, discovered by Lorette in the Valley of the Kings in Thebes in 1898, is widely believed to be the pharaoh of the Exodus. By cross-referencing the Quran and the Torah with findings from Egyptian archaeology, this event has been placed in its historical context. The Quran accurately states that this pharaoh's body was preserved as a sign for future generations, as mentioned in Surah Yunus, verse 92. So today, we will save you in body that you may be to those who succeed you a sign. And indeed, many among the people of our signs are heedless. The Quran is filled with prophecies, some of which were fulfilled in their time, and others that are awaiting their destined moment. Examples of fulfilled prophecies include the Battle of Badr, the conquest of Mecca, the victory of the Romans after their defeat, and the foretold rise of Israel. The awaited prophecies pertain to the events of the hour, which have begun to manifest. Given the era in which these insights were revealed, it becomes evident that the Quran was intended for reflection by the scholars of our modern age. It is therefore entirely justified to view the Quran as an expression of divine revelation from the Almighty Creator. Its accuracy is beyond doubt, as the inclusion of scientifically verified data in the Quran seems to challenge any purely human explanation. If these words and this information were not from the Almighty Creator, and if they did not stem from absolute certainty, the Quran would have provided its own means of destruction. If it had been in error or contradicted scientific research, it would have given the enemies of this religion the strongest weapon to destroy it, and the cause of this call would have collapsed from its foundation. Since the Quran's texts have proven to align with our modern knowledge and science, it is incumbent upon specialists to undertake serious encyclopedic studies to extract objective results and form a standard for distinguishing truth from falsehood, analyzing it in the light of scientific advancement. Some topics in the Quran cannot be fully illuminated by current scientific understanding as they surpass human comprehension. The physical phenomena and scientifically oriented subjects in the Quran were obscure at the time of revelation due to ignorance of astronomy. We could not understand their meanings until science advanced and acknowledged their accuracy. Therefore, we must strive to study the Quran diligently rather than waiting for a more educated and knowledgeable audience to extract what is difficult for us to grasp, which might occur far too late. Fortunately for humanity, and by God's mercy, there are always a few insightful individuals in every society who believe in the miracle of life and human existence. These exemplary men are preserved by God for the benefit of the world because they have devoted themselves to learning, constructive work, and solving the mysteries of the unknown. Although they may seem insignificant amidst the hordes of corrupt pretenders, they occasionally present us with scientific discoveries or theories that light the way and strengthen faith in the hearts. Among these exemplary figures is Professor Abdul Razak Naufal, who discovered the numerical miracles in the Quran, a personal effort worthy of great admiration. He revealed the numerical miracles in the Quran, demonstrating a timeless miracle that persists across ages. In addition to the Quran's linguistic miracle for the Arabs and the age of literature, its scientific miracle for the modern era, its legislative miracle for jurists, and its miraculous harmony with numbers and statistics in the age of counting and calculation, showing the balance and precision that pervades all Quranic subjects, it stands as undeniable proof that the Quran could only be a revelation from God to his final prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This is because nothing is beyond the power and ability of the Almighty, and the discoveries made by Mr. Naufal between a few Quranic words among the 51,924 words in total, open the door to an endless ocean of miracles waiting to be uncovered. The numerical miracle in the Quran, as discovered by Mr. Nawfal, includes the fact that the word dunya, this world, appears 115 times, and the word akhira, the hereafter, is repeated the same number of times, 115 times. Similarly, the word life and its derivatives appear 145 times, as does the word death and its derivatives with the same count of 145. Mr. Nawfal also discovered a vast array of words in the Quran that exhibit this numerical balance, such as faith and disbelief, desire and fear, reason and light, narrowness and tranquility, trees and plants. The numerical miracle in the Quran does not merely involve equal occurrences of words. It extends to numerical harmony and statistical wonders, with intentional numerical patterns, such as double and triple occurrences, that align with a deliberate purpose and goal. God revealed the scriptures with truth and balance, and who knows, perhaps the hour is near. The balance and harmony that characterize all of God's creation, from atoms to galaxies, are mirrored in the Quran. This numerical balance and harmony in the Quran cannot be a coincidence or random occurrence. It is a deliberate balance to demonstrate that no human force could have set these equal counts for related or opposing subjects and then distributed them with such precision across the more than 6,000 verses of the Quran, all while maintaining the highest level of eloquence and literary excellence. So how would it be if the individual was the trustworthy one? May God bless him and grant him peace.